Good morning, guys. Hope everyone is doing fine today. My name is Gaurish, and I'm back with about 4 to 5 stocks to watch for today. The first stock that I'll be talking about today is Piedmont Lithium Limited. Ticker symbol is PLL. It is already the pre-market price is 32.94, and it is already up by about 200%. Before hours volume is 2.7 million, and this is the first stock to watch for today because there was a news in which it which came in today morning at 6:24 a.m. and it says that Piedmont Lithium Inc. sales agreement with Tesla. So as you all know, what Tesla is going through right now and how famous this company is, and since Piedmont PLL has already started sales agreement with Tesla, so this is the first stock to watch for today. So the second stock to watch for today is Virgin Galactic Holdings. Ticker symbol is SPCE. The pre-market price is 18.24. It is already up by about 11 to 12%. Before our volume is 1.7 million. And the news that came in today morning at 6:41 a.m. for this stock was that Virgin Galactic uh, is up by about 6% after BofA tips that shares could double. So Bank of America is out with a positive note on Virgin Galactic's upside as it starts off coverage on the stock with buy rating. So this is the second stock to watch for today. There's a lot of volume going on into this stock as well. The third stock to watch for today is Genfit. Ticker symbol is GNFT. Pre-market price is 5.90 and it is already about 40 to 41%. Before our volume is about 300,000. The news that came in today morning at 7:06 a.m. for this was that Genfit is up by about 47% on Nash test deal with LabCorp. So thinly traded microcap, Genfit inks a 5-year agreement with LabCorp under which the latter will develop a molecular blood test to help identify patients with NASH. So this is the news that came in today morning, and that's why lots of people are watching this stock today. The fourth stock to watch for today is Perceptron. Ticker symbol is PRCP. Pre-market price is 6.84. It is already up by about 48,000. It is already up by about 67 to 68%, and the before our volume is about 448,000. So the news that came in today morning at 7:13 a.m. for this stock was that Atlas Copco to acquire Perceptron for $7 per share. So this is the so they have already entered into a definitive agreement to be acquired by Atlas Copco, and that is why this is the stock to be watched today. The last stock to be watched today is Oxbridge Re Holdings. Ticker symbol is OXBR. The pre-market price is 1.62. It is already up by about 51%. I don't have any news for this stock, but since the volume is so high, it's 5.2 million. There's no news on this stock for now. I searched a lot in the morning, but I did not find anything on this stock. But the volume is crazy today on this stock. Out of all the five, the volume on OXPR is the highest, and this is the last stock to watch for today. That's it for this video, guys. Hope you like my videos. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, one more thing, before investing into these companies, just make sure that the pre-market highs are crossed, and then only invest into these companies, and watch for the charts and volume before investing into these companies, and don't wait too long into these stocks. Please buy and sell as soon as you get about 20 to 30% of profits. And there's like in 10 or 20 stocks, there's just one stock like SPI, and that is why don't wait too long into this stock, because you can get losses very quickly and also profits very quickly. So play safe, guys. Hope you like my videos. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos and if you want any profits from them. I'll try to get some good stocks with good news, but for getting daily updates in the morning before the market opens, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching and have a good day, guys.